Window installation is a significant investment for homeowners in Bel Air, enhancing both the beauty and functionality of your home. Whether you're upgrading old windows for better energy efficiency, improving curb appeal, or replacing damaged windows, it's important to understand the process from start to finish. This guide will walk you through what you can expect during your window installation project, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Initial consultation and estimate. The first step in any window installation project is the consultation. A reputable window installation company will schedule an in-home consultation to assess your needs. During this meeting, a professional will come to your home to measure your windows, evaluate the existing frames, and discuss your preferences regarding window styles, materials, and energy efficiency features. This is the perfect time for you to ask questions about the window options available, including different frame materials like vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, as well as the types of glass, such as double or triple pane. The consultant will also explain the installation process, provide a written estimate, and discuss a timeline for completion. Expect the estimate to cover not just the windows themselves but also the labor, removal of old windows, any additional materials required, and cleanup. Getting this upfront information ensures there are no surprises later on. Choosing the right windows. Once you've reviewed the estimate and decided to move forward, it's time to choose the right windows for your Bel Air home. Your consultant will guide you through the various options, considering factors like style. There are many window styles to choose from, including double hung, casement, picture, and sliding windows. The style you choose will affect the aesthetics and functionality of your home, so it's important to select one that suits both your needs and your home's architectural design. Material. The frame material you select will impact the window's durability, energy efficiency, and maintenance. Vinyl is low maintenance and affordable, while wood offers a more traditional look and better insulation. Fiberglass and composite frames are known for their strength and energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. In Bel Air's climate, energy-efficient windows are crucial. Look for windows that offer insulation features like low-E coatings and argon gas fills. These can help reduce heating and cooling costs while keeping your home comfortable year-round. The right windows can make a big difference in your home's overall performance, from energy savings to aesthetic appeal. Take the time to consider all your options carefully with the guidance of a knowledgeable consultant. Scheduling the installation. Once you've chosen your windows, the next step is scheduling the installation. The best window installation companies will provide you with a clear timeline for when your windows will arrive and when installation will take place. Generally, installation can take anywhere from a day to a few days, depending on the number of windows being replaced and the complexity of the project. It's important to work with a company that provides a timeline and communicates any changes along the way. Be prepared for some disruption during the installation process. While experienced installers are efficient, it's a good idea to clear the area around the windows to provide easy access. Additionally, make arrangements for pets or small children to stay away from the work area for safety. The installation process. On installation day, a crew of professional window installers will arrive at your home, usually in the morning. Here's what to expect during the process. Removal of old windows. The installers will start by removing your old windows carefully. They'll remove any window treatments, trim, or sashes before carefully removing the window frame. Preparation of the opening. Once the old windows are out, the installation crew will inspect the window opening to ensure it's level and free from damage. If any structural repairs are necessary, they'll take care of this before moving forward. Installation of new windows. The installers will place the new windows into the prepared opening, ensuring that they're properly aligned and sealed. They will check for proper fit and make any necessary adjustments. Sealing and insulating. After the windows are installed, the crew will seal the perimeter of the window to prevent drafts and moisture from entering. They may also add insulation around the window frame to improve energy efficiency. Finishing touches. Finally, the installers will reattach trim, clean up any debris, and perform a final inspection to ensure everything is functioning properly. They'll also test the windows to make sure they open, close, and lock smoothly. Final walkthrough and cleanup. Once the windows are installed, the installation company will conduct a final walkthrough with you to ensure everything meets your expectations. During this time, you can inspect the windows, check the seals, and make sure there are no issues with the installation. The crew will clean up any debris and take away your old windows and any packaging from the new windows. It's essential that you're satisfied with the finished product before the team leaves your home. Post-installation care and warranty. After the installation is complete, many window companies offer warranties on both the windows and the labor. This is an important aspect to consider as it ensures that you'll be covered if anything goes wrong in the future. Be sure to ask about the warranty details, including the duration and what's covered. Additionally, while your new windows are low maintenance, it's important to know how to care for them to ensure their longevity. Ask your installer about the recommended cleaning procedures and any maintenance tips to keep your windows looking and performing their best. Conclusion. Window installation in Bel Air is a seamless process when you work with a trusted professional. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, a good window installation company will guide you through every step of the process. By choosing the right windows, preparing your home, and working with skilled installers, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. Whether you're replacing a few windows or upgrading your entire home, the benefits of new windows will be well worth the investment.